Hanergy Thin Film Power, the Chinese company that promised to revolutionize the way solar power is used, saw its share price plunge 47% on Wednesday, bringing to an end the breakneck growth it has enjoyed. Shares in the Hong Kong-listed company were suspended as a result of the fall, and questions have been raised about the absence of its chairman, Lee He-jun, at the company's annual meeting. Christine Spolar, the FT's investigations editor, has looked at the company's soaring fortunes over the past year. Christine, what happened today?
Well, it was a pretty vicious day for Hanergy Thin Film. This is a company that has seen its share price soar more than 300% rather, from 2014 to the beginning of this year. And at one point it was worth $40 billion. It's the kind of surge that made Lee He-jun China's richest man. Today, shares fell 47% in a free fall that was unexpected and pretty mysterious. No one's quite sure why and what happened. Mr. Lee, who is the company's majority shareholder, wasn't at the AGM that was held today in Hong Kong. But what we do know is the AGM started at 10 o'clock Hong Kong time. The share price started to slide at 10:14, and then the exchange announced the trade halt at 10:46. That itself was a pretty stunning half hour in the life of Hanergy.
There have been questions about Hanergy that the FT has been looking into this year. What are they?
Yes, we have looked at Hanergy, it's based in the mainland, and its listed company, and we were interested in the share price rise. And we saw some unusual business practices. Much of Hanergy Group's revenues were realized through sales between its listed subsidiary, HTF, and itself. That's interesting. And then the technology it was developing, it is an evolving technology, thin solar. So Hanergy is saying that analysts don't understand the potential for this technology, and that's why they're questioning the share price rise.
Now, apart from the business model, you also looked at the trading patterns in Hanergy Thin Film in Hong Kong. What did you find?
Yeah, what we did this year was we looked at 2 years of trading with HTF, and we looked at more than 800,000 individual trades from the Hong Kong Exchange. And we found what was an unusual pattern. The last 10 minutes before closing, the price surged. We also examined that. We looked at 20 other stocks, random stocks, created a random basket, if you will. And we found Hanergy was an outlier. Well, that raised some questions about how and why and when people were investing in the solar company. And nothing within the data itself, points to a specific issue. But analysts were saying, well, is there market manipulation here? Or is there an algorithm trading program at play? Or is something happening that this could be random? So we raised those questions. Right now, we found no wrongdoing with regard to that.
Well, so now the share price has fallen. It's been suspended from trading. What happens next?
Well, the Hanergy story is playing out at a particularly ambitious time, both at the Hong Kong market and also in China. There are a lot of rich people now in China. They're trying to invest. And in the last 6 months, you've had the Shanghai Hong Kong Stock Connect, which is a new program so that Chinese investors can put money into the market through local brokers. Hanergy was a big player and one of the top stocks on that. So that raises questions about what is the governance here, what is the regulator doing, and what is Hanergy doing? This was not a good day for Hanergy, so it will be interesting to see how the rest of the story goes.
Great. Thank you very much, Christine.
Thank you.